And the IFTA goes to 5 Minutes of Heaven, Eoin O'Callaghan.
My goodness, our cup runneth over. We're completely overwhelmed. My co-producer, Stephen Wright, and myself are just so thankful for this opportunity to stand before you with this fabulous statuette. All of our team who are here tonight, this is applauded to them, a great award for them, and something that we cannot thank you enough for. Thank you also to our Dublin co-producers, who is Ed and Andrew from Element Films, without whom this could not have been made possible, and for the Irish Film Board, for whom who made everything possible as well. Thank you so much. Stephen.
Just one final thank you to the two men who made this possible, who trusted us with their story, and that's Joe and Alistair. Thank you to them.
Thank you.